This is 64 Gladstone Road, and we thought we'd just show you around so you can see what it looks like. We've got this box here, which is where we put our bin bags when we're waiting for the bins to go out, so it doesn't look messy on the street. So let's go inside. So, oh my god. First of all, we just have a coat rack where we just have coats, and then shoe rack, yeah, and then just important things on the notice board like our fire stuff. And then we've got fire extinguisher. Okay, so this is our first room. So it's our only room that's downstairs, and you've got the double bed, chest of drawers, more drawers on the little desk here, and then another desk over there where you can do your uni work, and then you've got the same wardrobes like in every room, signature green blinds. But yeah, that's this one. So this is our living room. So this is our living room. Pretty nice too. Sofa, so it fits the 6 of us. TV, table. We decorate that board however we want it. That's a painting that one of us did. But yeah, nice and homely. Little giraffes in the corner. The wooden one was already here, but yeah. So that was the living room. Now I'll show you our first bathroom. So let me come out so you can see. This is the bathroom. Just a pretty standard bathroom. Yeah. Sink, shower, everything like that. Shelves and stuff for all our stuff. Okay, so now let's go to the kitchen. It's a bit busy kitchen tonight because we've got fajita night going on. Say hi, friends. Hi. So this is our kitchen. We've got quite a lot of cupboards in here. Microwave, fridge, freezer, washer, dryer. Yeah, it's quite tidy today. Quite impressed. Okay, so this is our dining room. Just got a big table with all the chairs for all of us. Another fridge, freezer. A pen board, but we've not really put anything on there. Yeah, just some nice little pictures. More. And then yeah, just more cupboards. A lot of storage space in here. But yeah. And now we'll go outside. Our little garden. So just got a picnic bench if we want to sit outside. Washing line where we hang our stuff if we need it. And then there's a back gate which leads to just an alleyway, but we never really go out of there because we like to use the front door. Okay, so now we're going upstairs. A nice little emergency, what's it called, handle in case we need it. So then we go into the second bedroom. This is a single bedroom. And yeah, just got obviously single bed, desk, wardrobes, drawers, anything you need in here. Nice little cute room, decorated very nicely. Just gotta say. Yeah, signature blinds in this house, the green blinds. Yeah, so you can see our downstairs from there. Yeah, that's the next one. Okay, so this is our second bathroom. Pretty much the same as the other one. Shower, toilet, sink, storage. Okay, so now we'll go on to the next bedroom. This is our little corridor, and we have 2 little storage areas, cupboards here, which like we play netball in this house, so we've got all our netballs and stuff in there. But yeah, just use them for like the Hoover and what they call it, era, stuff like that. So this is the third bedroom. Oh, it smells very nice in here. So yeah, we've just got, this one's got a double bed, desk, again the same same blinds, the same double wardrobe. Oh gosh, yeah, so it is open, and you've got that on one side, and then it's just like hanging space on the other side. But that's like in all the bedrooms. But yeah, little chest of drawers, TV, cheeky. But yeah, so this is this bedroom. Okay, so this is our next room. Again, it's another double room. Double bed, drawers, desk, same wardrobes, same blinds. Yeah, lots of storage space, perfect for anyone. So now we're to the last 2 bedrooms. This is our Wi-Fi router, just in case we ever need to reset it, we know that it's there. And then you go up these stairs, the final upstairs. Woo. So this is bedroom 5. This is my bedroom. So Sorry about the mess. Oh, actually, that's close enough. So then again, just double bed, desk. That thing was extra. They left it in like the last house, so it's just there in the room now. We do have a sofa in these 2 bedrooms. It looks quite cute. Never really sat on it, but it does look cute. And then again, that's messy. We're not gonna do that. Like just wardrobes. You've got storage space up there, and yes, I do have a Build-A-Bear box up there. But yeah, double. This one's quite a big room. I'd say this one's just almost as big as the one next door, but yeah, very nice. I do think I've decorated it quite well. So okay, and then on to the last room. Wow, it's tidy in here. I think this is probably the biggest room. But yeah, same thing. Desk, wardrobes. Oh yeah, another one. Double bed and another sofa. Again, don't really use it, but looks really nice. Lots of space to do any activities that you desire. You know, the girl who lives here does dance, so because obviously all her lectures are online, she has to do online practicals in here, so the room is quite good for her. But yeah, that's all our 6 bedrooms. Okay, so this is the last room. Let's go downstairs and see if there's anyone down there.
You ran too fast.
So yeah, anyway, as I was saying, this is 6 bedroom house. It's very nice, but if this one's not for you, they've got many other properties that you can go and look.
Yeah, the landlord's really nice, Kate and Wayne. They're always there for anything that you need, even if it's personal reasons, and they're really supportive for everything.
Yeah, so if you like the house, make sure you put your deposit down because
it's gonna go quick. And we've got loads of socials. If you want to get in contact with them, see any houses,
They've got loads more, and they're all as nice as this one.
Chester Student Rentals. Any houses you see with those green blinds, do you want to show the blinds? Them blinds. That's
signature look.
Kate and Wayne. So yeah. Bye.
Bye.